Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Summarized AI. In today's video, we will explore the art of prompt engineering and show you how to fine-tune AI models for better results. We will go from basic to advanced. Please let me know if anything you didn't understand in comment. I will try to answer or create a new video on that topic. So let's start our journey. What is prompt engineering? Prompt engineering is basically learning how to ask questions the right way to get the best answer from an AI. Think of AI like super smart assistant or a genie. You can ask it anything, but the way you ask determines how useful the answer will be, which again means if your question is vague, the answer will be vague. If your question is clear and detailed, the answer will be accurate and useful. For example, vague question might be asking, explain climate change in general terms. And the clear question would be, explain climate change in simple terms for teenagers, including three examples of its effect. So for this, I will be going back to my ChatGPT and asking the same question. So let me ask first question. Explain climate change. So it will explain the climate change. And if you see, it is using like a lot many terms CO2, CH4, N2O. Okay, and it is giving the answer. Okay, I have asked simple query. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask the same query again, but using different prompt. Okay, explain climate change in terms for teenagers, including three example of its effect. Now, if you see this answer is very generalized so that the kid can understand, the teenager can understand. It's very simple, straightforward, and we asked three examples. It gave us three examples exactly. So this is nothing but asking your question in a right way, which is nothing but a prompt. And the way we asked this particular query or the prompt is nothing but the prompt engineering. Great. Prompt at the end is all about giving AI right guidance. Considering three important tips in mind, be clear, state exactly what you want, provide context, share any important background information. And the third is specify the format. Indicate if you want a list, story, summary, or something else. Whatever you are going to ask, ChatGPT or other AI tools will be replying in the same way. So let me show you one more example. Okay, let me ask one more vague question. Give me marketing tips. Okay, let's see what tips it will give. So it is giving, here are some practical marketing tips that can help you grow a business. It gives like these many tips, line by line, topic by topic. Okay. So now let me go with second prompt, which is clear, contextual, and having formatted prompt. Okay. Let's go there. So I'm going to ask the same way, same thing in a different way. Okay. So you are a social media consultant. Provide five creative marketing tips for a small handmade jewelry business targeting young adults and explain each tip in 2 to 3 sentences. Let's see what happens. So you see, it is giving us an answer. However, we asked, okay, well formatted, great. Now we got the required answer what we were looking for, and the prompt what we have used is very clear and contextual. Great. So far we have seen what a prompt is and how it guide AI to give better answers. The process of designing and refining prompts to get the best result is called prompt engineering. Great. Now, this was all about related to the prompt engineering, and we will be moving to fine tuning. So let's about what is fine tuning. Fine tuning in general terms means making small careful adjustment to improve how something works. Artificial intelligence, which is AI, has grown rapidly, and today we have multiple large language models like ChatGPT by OpenAI, Claude by Anthropic, Gemini by Google, and LLaMA by Microsoft, and each designed to understand and generate human-like text. All these models are general purpose model. All these models are general purpose model got trained on a wide range of information collected from website, Wikipedia, PDF, books, and other sources like research papers and some offline documents also. And if you talk about fine tuning, it is all about training existing inbuilt out of the box LLM models on your own trained data, on data, so it behaves or respond in a specific way you want rather than just general answers. However, by fine tuning, it will provide you your own data. You can make it more specialized, enabling it to understand your specific domain, style, or use case more accurately. Think of it like this: ChatGPT is a general doctor, for example. Fine tuning is all about training doctor to become a heart specialist using cardiology data. Great. Another example of fine tuning is where ChatGPT is a student who already knows everything about language. Fine tuning is when you give it your custom notes so it talks, writes, or solve problems the way we want. Correct? Now, ChatGPT by default is a general purpose large language model. It knows a lot about many topics, but not about your specific company or document. However, when you train or fine tune it on your company's internal documents, such as manuals, policies, FAQs, or reports, it becomes specialized in your organization's knowledge. When a company trains a language model using its own data, that's called fine tuning. It helps the AI understand company specific info, and you can use it to search through documents or summarize pages and policies in seconds. Great, excellent. Once the LLM model fine tuned, it can understand your company's terminology, answer employee or customer questions on your trained data, summarize internal documents, or provide quick insights, generate responses consistent with your brand tone. We can implement semantic search to replace lexical search to find meaning based results in company data. Great. At last, fine tuning is not but to give your LLM specialized training. And that's all we have for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this video helpful and want to see a fine tuning implementation or learn more about AI in detail, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I will be coming up with more videos on calling ChatGPT, creating AI agents, programming tips. So make sure to hit the notification bell to stay updated. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.